Thank you. I'm Girish Maru from Mumbai. It is really exhaustive session for 3 days, and as the name of the whole seminar, it is intensive. Really, we had done an intensive work, and there are so many things I had got from this 3 days session, and definitely it is a worthful and valuable session. 3 days, it is really difficult for me to allocate the whole 3 whole days uh, only for this session. There is no I try to avoid all the distraction at this moment. Even I had not attended my staff's my assistants queries, we work. So 2 days there is no work at from my side. So I definitely recommend this session to my friends and families, if they really want to do the 3 days intense work on their own self, because it is not only to do writing, but it is to think deeply and then to get out of your own self. And it is really difficult nowadays to do, because most of the session are like they will show you, but actually they will not work with you. So Hasim bhai has really worked with me, and as promised by him that मैं आपके साथ काम करूंगा, I think it is 100% fulfilled by him. And result, there are so many things, but I feel that value creation, then vision, uh, then we had created the business plan, marketing plan. So business plan, still I was aware about that. I had as he was saying that कि mind में नहीं, अपने को paper में चाहिए. So we had mentioned that also in, we had written down that also in the paper. But for me, it is really a marketing strategy which was required. And at the last, he had mentioned about the operational excellence. That will be a one major point for me to as a takeaway. I will work on that again. It is not that this three day session is completed and we have to work after. Really, we have to work after these 3 days. So thank you for guiding and giving us all these useful tools and strategy, including the Brahmastra. Thank you very much, Asim bhai.